Hi, my name is Michael. I'm excited to share a little bit more with our experience specifically with Papa and what Leverage Outbound was able to do for us. We work specifically with brands and we help them in a number of different marketing services that we offer, as well as manufacturing. We signed up with Papa to build out some lead funnels for us to schedule calls. It went really well. We got a lot of calls actually booked with him. I liked the fact that he was always willing to hop on a call with us. We had weekly calls. He always provided a report. Those things I thought was really important. I've worked with a number of other lead gen companies before, and we felt that Papa did a great job. I think communication was the biggest thing, and then the second thing for us that was important was his ability to shift with how we were getting things with leads. Sometimes the leads weren't great, and or maybe it wasn't even that they weren't great. Maybe we needed to change maybe the field or the types of leads we were going after. And he was really good at being able to shift quickly, especially towards some of the different demographics we were trying to connect on. But overall, really good experience. I'd recommend it. Again, if you have any concerns about communication and having that with your marketing or your lead gen company, that's definitely not a concern here with Papa. But yeah, give a full recommendation and endorsement for him. He does a great job.